Today, you will learn how to change bold thickness in Word. First, insert a text box if you want to create thick, stylish text like a title or heading. To do that, go to the Insert tab, click Text Box, and choose a simple text box. Now, type your text inside the box. You can enter any words you want. Next, select the text inside the text box. Go to the Home tab and choose the font style and size you want. You can also click the Bold button to make the text bold. If your text is still not thick enough, don't worry, because we're going to make it even thicker using another feature. With the text still selected, go to the Shape Format tab. Look for Word Art Styles options. Click on Text Outline. This feature adds a border around every letter. Make sure to choose Solid Line here. If the text becomes too thick, simply reduce the outline width until it looks right. If this video helped you, please like the video and subscribe to the channel.